Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLDC. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 15-minute time slices. I like to this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely crazy move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for a very long time. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can somehow stay up above $4.15. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $4.15, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, that would definitely be a preferable area where if the price could hold above it, that'd be a great sign of strength. Next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of this consolidation area over here, and that sits right there at about $3.30. So $4.15 and then $3.30, two of the near-term levels of support going forward. Another one to watch, assuming you have more of a broader time frame of things, would be the purple line down here, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher as time unfolds. So yeah, keep an eye on that. You know, again, that's more so a broader time trend indicator. But, you know, as far as where the buyers could potentially be on any sort of pullbacks, you know, these are the levels of support that I'll personally be keeping an eye on. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, key area seems to be right up here around the $5.65 mark. I realize the price did technically go above there a couple of times, but I think we can all agree that, you know, just from kind of an overall congestion area right up there at 565 is that key overall level. And the, you know, great thing about this one is even if you're just a trader, I mean, think about it, between just these two technical levels, that's a big range where plenty of trading, you know, can take place. So whether you care about, like I said, more so a big picture type viewpoint, or you're more of a day trader and just looking for ranges to trade between, I mean, you know, this range right here, that's essentially over $1 right there. So good volatile stock, and let's see how this one continues to play out on the week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.